Hello, my name is Rohan Shivkumar. I am an architect, urban designer and a filmmaker. I am the Dean of the Bachelor's Course of Architecture at the Kamla Raheja Institute for Architecture in Mumbai. And I was really excited to come to KL School of Architecture to be invited to deliver a lecture on a recent research project that we did called A Forest in the City. This was a project that was interested in looking at poor communities or communities who live in the National Park in Bombay and looking at the ways in which they access infrastructure. So this is the kind of website of the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, right? And it is imagined as a place where wildlife exists. There is wildlife and entertainment, stargazing, recreational boating. The entire pitch for the park is as if it is a place that the city can use for its own entertainment. Right? You can come on this train, you can go on long walks, you can go to Kanheri caves, right? And see amazing history. So the framing of this entire land is as if it's for the use of the state, the use of us, general public. It was a pleasure to come to KL School of Architecture and present work that we were involved in recently that was looking at access to infrastructure for poor communities who live in Bombay. The communities we were really interested in are the tribal and non-tribal communities who live in the forest region of the city. Too often our understanding of these communities and the way that they live is very often romanticized or limited, or very often we just don't have that kind of information. Yet these communities are integral to the city. A project like this was able to really think about how these communities live, what are their traditions, what are their cultures, and what are the ways in which they've been able to access electricity, water, toilets, and present it to the city. We did an exhibition in South Bombay which was called A Forest in the City, and this we felt was a really important narrative that we wanted to bring to the general residents of the city. And it was a real pleasure speaking to the students and the faculty at KL, because we felt like it really pointed out to new ways or new kinds of ways in which architects can practice in the city.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanmay Gaikwad, a third year architecture student. We had this guest lecture today which is called A Forest in the City, which essentially revolved around the fact that there are so many communities which are living in Mumbai which we are not even aware of. So the lecture was taken by architect Rohan Shivkumar, and it was an amazing lecture. We had a great holistic understanding of the communities which we weren't even aware of. So it will really help us in the future in understanding how to design spaces that cater to multiple types of users. I would just like to thank Rohan Shivkumar sir for this lecture.